How to quickly plus effectively use honey for blackheads removal. Most people know honey is a sweet, yellowish-brown fluid made by bees. But did you know it has been used for many health and beauty benefits? Did you know you can use honey to remove blackheads? Blackheads generally occur when hair follicles become clogged with oil, dirt, dead skin cells, and other impurities. As there is not much skin to attach to, they become open to the air. The top layer becomes oxidizes and turns a dark black color. This is where the name comes from. These occur most commonly on the nose, arms, face, chin, chest, back, neck, and shoulders. What about honey for blackheads? Does it work? It acts as a natural antibiotic and helps to pull dirt from skin pores by clearing blackheads. It hydrates and tightens skin pores for clear complexion. It naturally peels blackheads from affected skin. It nourishes and moisturizes skin to get natural shine. It contains antioxidants, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties that help remove blackheads by destroying germs or impurities that clog pores. It has low pH levels that falls between 3.2 and 4.5, which is far too low for bacterial species that cause acne and blackheads. How to use honey to treat blackheads. 1. Plain. Apply raw, organic honey to your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Rinse first with lukewarm water and then cold water. Repeat 2-3 times a week for best results. Note: warm it up for improved results. 2. Warmed with apples. Peel the apple and cut it into slices. Blend into a pulp. Add a pinch of chopped mint and a tablespoon of cornmeal or uncooked oats. Warm a tablespoon and add it to the mixture until it forms a thick paste. Apply to your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly for best results. 3. With oatmeal and tomatoes. Mix a cup of oatmeal, a tablespoon of honey, and the juice from 3 tomatoes to make a paste. Scrub the paste on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. 4. Use it as spot treatment. Dab a small amount on the affected areas. Cover with small bandages and leave it overnight. Remove the bandage and rinse the next morning. Repeat regularly for best results. 5. With egg whites. Mix an egg white and a teaspoon of honey. Apply to your face and allow it to dry. Rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. Note: this process not only prevents blackheads but also helps nourish your skin. 6. With an oatmeal mask. Mix a tablespoon of ground oatmeal, a half tablespoon of honey, and an egg white. Apply mixture only to the affected areas. Massage gently for 5-7 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly for best results. 7. With almonds. Mix a teaspoon of finely crushed almonds with some honey to make a paste. Apply to your face and allow it to dry. Rinse with water. Repeat 1 to 2 times weekly for best results. Note: this process cleans the skin by drawing out impurities. 8. With sugar and milk. Mix a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of honey, and some milk to make a paste. Gently scrub a clean face with the paste. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with tepid water. Repeat as needed. 9. With sea salt. Mix a teaspoon of raw honey and a pinch of sea salt. Exfoliate the affected areas by rubbing gently in circular motion. Rinse with water. Repeat as needed. Note: salt helps to cleanse impurities from pores and honey helps to moisturize and nourish skin.